Hi friends, welcome to another video. This is quarantine day 9. Can you believe it? Day 9. So right now it's going to be kind of like a mixed up video for you guys. Probably it's just going to be like clips throughout the day and night. So I'm bringing my son Sean. Say hi. Hi. And bringing Riley.
Hi.
We're going to drop off a couple boxes of tissue over to my mom. I got a bunch of these from when our store closed, when my store I worked at closed. So she needed some and she was going to buy some yesterday. And I was like, no, mom, don't do that. I'll give you a box, save some money. And then I forgot to give it to her yesterday. So I'm going to bring her 2 instead of 1 just because I got plenty and why not, you know? So we're gonna go do that. I do have to go to Walmart really quick and get dog food because Max's dog food is like running out, and I need to pick up an onion and I need to get new cleaning gloves because there's a hole in the tip of like one of the fingers of the one I've been using, so water's getting in and it's irritating my skin really bad. And then I'm also getting a couple more of those waxes that I got the other day. So this smells really good. And they're on clearance for 50 cents each, so why not? I just left my boys over with my mom. So I'm gonna go to Walmart alone. I just thought that it'd just be better that way. So they're with my mom right now. And yeah, let's get to Walmart. And now we're going home, and I'm gonna make some lunch, and I promised, yes, and I promised Riley some chocolate, so he's gonna have some Easter candy that my mom got them yesterday, so they'll have some of that after lunch. So let's get home. Alright guys, now we are home. I'm about to make some lunch. I'm also going to be grounding up some tofu to add to some meals for later today, for dinner probably. And yeah, so I'm about to do that, so come along with me while I do that. Right. So I'm gonna ground some tofu up. I'm just gonna probably just do 1 pack, I think. But yeah, here is my Minnie Mouse spoon rest, you guys. It is so cute. Got from Amazon for like under $13, $12.99 or something like that. Super cute. All right, so I'm going to ground some of this up, and we'll see what I use it for. I love tofu, so. And I do eat meat, you guys. I'm not vegan, I'm not vegetarian. I do eat meat, but I also love tofu, and it also has a lot of protein, so that's really good for you. So I'm gonna do this now, and I'll bring you along with me.
It isn't hard to tell what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are only getting louder. While you are up in space, I sit here by myself. Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother, as long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over, 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 over.
I am done cooking this, grounding it. It's still soft. It's hard to get it hard. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it with regular ground beef just to have added protein. And I'm going to put it in a pasta bake for dinner tonight. So just to have some extra texture, extra protein. You honestly cannot taste the tofu. Tofu does not really even have a taste. It's a texture thing. So if it's not your type of thing, that's okay. I personally like it, but that's just me, I guess. So I'm going to add this with some ground beef just to add some extra protein and to make the meal more hearty. All right, I wanted to show you guys that I actually exchanged the shirt that I bought in yesterday's video. I exchanged it for the next size down because I tried on the extra large and it was huge. So I know that this does shrink a little bit. Sorry if you hear Riley crying in the background. He wants my phone. He's not having it. So, but yeah, so I got a large. I'll see how that fits. Maybe that's going to be too big too. I don't know, but I do know that this can shrink like a size. So I think I'm just going to keep it as a large because I do like to be able to tuck in the shirt in the front. I think that's kind of a cute style. So I got this in a large, exchanged the extra large for a large. So that's always a good day. This is quarantine day 9. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I am going to shampoo the carpet. I promised you guys I would eventually do it. I'm gonna do it today. I have all the energy in the world to do it. But that's probably about it for the day. I'm actually gonna also set up another video to upload for you guys, and it's going to be a how to cook frozen chicken in an Instant Pot. So I'll be doing that video. It's going to be a short video, but that will be just something hopefully just to get you through the day. I might even add a second video that day just because that video is probably going to be super short. So we'll see. I'm not promising anything. I'm horrible with commitment, you guys. Horrible with commitment, except for with Mike. That's just so we're clear. But I am going to shampoo the carpet and I'm going to bring you guys along with this. It is really bad. Penny had a whoopsie-daisy last night. She wasn't feeling well. She was eating grass yesterday, so I was like, oh, I don't think she's feeling too good. So yep, sure enough, in the middle of the night she made a little poodle on the ground or on the carpet in the hallway, and my husband cleaned it up this morning at like 2 o'clock before he went to work. I feel so bad, but I still need a shampoo and it left like a little spot. So I'm going to shampoo the carpet and I'm going to spray some Resolve carpet stain lifter remover first, let it sit on there while I'm shampooing the rest of the carpet. So let's get to getting my carpet nice and clean. All right, you guys, so I'm just gonna leave this TV here. It's our old TV. We still haven't dumped it yet, but that is going to happen soon. Right there and there is the whoopsie-daisy. So we're gonna spray that down and shampoo it. Sorry if you guys were grossed out by seeing that. Our carpet has lifted so bad. This is like, our carpet is so old. It was old before we moved in here, and we've lived here for like 5-6 years now. So yeah, they were supposed to fix that and they haven't yet. But yeah, I really hope that we can get new floor. It'll be hard floor just to keep it easier to keep clean. So we'll see. But yeah, that is staying. I gotta wipe that down. There's so much dust. It's gross. But anyways, my husband's gonna get rid of that eventually, and we gotta get rid of that. Ew. Okay, let's shampoo the carpet. All right, you guys, so this is the Resolve I'm using. I know it says upholstery, but it works on the carpet as well.
Misty mountains, dusty roads ahead, crossing rivers, dreaming of a bed from a window.
I'm gonna start in the living room because I'm just gonna let stuff sit for a while in the hallway and just do its best. This stain has seriously been here since we moved in. Yes, we did add a little bit more to it though, but over the years with like spilled drinks and stuff, but there was always a red juice stain over here and it just sucks. I really wish that we can get new flooring in, but you know what? We don't own this place. If we did, we would definitely rip this out and put new hard floor in. But so I'm sorry if you guys think this is absolutely disgusting. I think so too. So try not to be harsh with your words, because trust me, I'm feeling all those feels.
Let the summer come again. Let the heat find all the frozen. Let the force in. And I am above, above. I feel above. Oh, you have seen 1,000 lovers meet. You have seen 1,000.
All right, so fun fact time. I actually used to be a carpet cleaning consultant, if you want to call it that. I used to sell vacuums and carpet cleaners like this at Sears for about 5 years. I absolutely loved my job, and it was a really weird thing, but I think I've always loved cleaning supplies so much, so it just fit me very well. Yeah, I have definitely done really well with selling the carpet cleaners and the vacuums, and people trusted my opinion because I was very educated on it. So yeah, so I actually enjoy doing this weird routine of shampooing the carpet, but I like to do it like once every season just to freshen up the house and, you know, get all of the allergens and anything my kids have spilled off the floor. But if they do spill something, I try to clean it up right away. But sometimes it happens when I don't know what happened, because hey, that's mom life, right, you guys?
Come again. Let the heat find all the frozen. Let the force in. 'Cause I am. Let the force in.
Also, I want to let you guys know I am actually fast forwarding this triple speed. So because if I was to show you guys the actual speed I was doing this, it is incredibly slow. I just want to make sure I get all of the dirt and yuck off of the carpet, so I go extra slow for this. But yeah, I fast forwarded this for you guys 3 times fast, so just so it's not like a super long, very boring video for you. But I hope you guys do enjoy the music I'm putting on this. I am using newer music than I have used ever, so I hope you enjoy.
You say you're fine, but I can see right through. You're holding your secrets for way too long. This can't keep going on. With every lie, they keep on hurting you, getting away with everything they do. This can't keep going on. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions. I'll go through fire, I'll climb the mountains for you. Tell me, 'cause I'm looking out for you. This can't keep going on, no, 'cause you're not alone in this. We'll do this together. No, you're not alone in this. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We're gonna find them. La 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 la. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. With
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear.
So the stuff I'm about to show you guys, this right here, oh, so gross. Okay, so that happens if you have fiber in your carpet, which every carpet has fiber. Also, if you have dogs or cats. So basically, the shampooer will make little mini piles of carpet fiber mixed with dog hair and cat hair in little clumps. And that's normal. That happens for everybody. So that's what I picked up and I threw away. And yes, that happens a lot and it's really gross.
You wanna get close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny.
Alright you guys, as you can tell, I am definitely sweaty. I worked really hard on getting everything shampooed. I even did Sean and Jaden's room. I just didn't show that just because for privacy for them. But I shampooed like the whole house. Only rooms I did not shampoo was my bedroom and my dad's bedroom, but that will be for another day. So are you guys excited? I finally got my carpet clean. I am so happy. It smells so good and it looks so cozy and plush now. I'm so happy. But I have to open the windows, let air come in and dry it so it doesn't get all musty smelling and stuff. But yeah, I feel like my house is going to feel and look so much better now and just feel refreshed. I mean, it's part of spring cleaning too. So anyways, I'm now going to set up for my Instapot video that I'm going to be uploading maybe tomorrow. All right, you guys, let's get done with the rest of the day. All right, you guys, so time has passed a little bit. I'm about to put together my next video, and it's going to be my Instapot frozen chicken video. So hopefully that'll be entertaining for you. So I just dropped my phone a little bit ago and it cracked some more. I need a new phone so bad. Ugh. Okay, anyways, so I'm gonna get this ready and then I will end this video there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more to come and like my video. That'd be awesome if you did like it. Of course, I'm not gonna make you like it if you didn't like it. And subscribe if you haven't yet. And yeah, I will see you guys again in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.
If you believe in love, how will I feel?